All right, 2.7. 2.7, we're talking about converting metric units. Okay, we're talking about taking one unit of measurement, for example, 0.75 liters, and converting it to milliliters. Okay, so we're starting here with 0.75, and I want to go to here with question mark. Okay, so I have to figure out what I got to do here. Okay, now, as we talked about the other day, dealing with decimals, dealing with metrics is just like dealing with the base power of 10. Okay, as the number gets this way, these get smaller. So this is the ones, this was the tenths, this is the hundredths, and this is the thousandths. Okay, just like going the other way, this is the tens, hundreds, thousand. Okay, so if we think of it in terms of powers of 10, this would be 10 to the 0, this would be 10 to the first, 10 to the second, 10 to the third. Okay, so as I'm going this way, okay, as you're going that way, you're going to multiply. So as you're going to the right, you multiply. Okay, another way to look at it is when you go from a smaller unit of measurement to a larger unit of measurement, okay, when you're going from a smaller to a large, going from a smaller unit of measurement to a larger unit of measurement, you divide. Okay, I reverse those. That should be divide, not multiply. Okay, so as you're going, understand that this applies to anything going this way, we multiply. Going this way, okay, you divide. Okay, the other way we can look at it, going this way, you move the decimal to the right. Because which way is that arrow going? Right. To the right. So when you go down here, you move the decimal to the left. Okay, so having said that, to go from here to here would be moving to the right, correct? Okay. So we move it to the right. Now let me finish my statement down here. Okay. So back to our original problem, I want to change 0.75 liters into milliliters. So all I have to do is this. Here's your base. Here's deci. Here's centa. And here's milli. So I want to go from liters past deciliters, past centiliters, past to milliliters. And so I'm going 1, 2, 3 places to the right. So I'm going to take my number 0.75 and I'm going to move the decimal once, 2 times, 3 times to the right. I have to add a 0 right there. So 0.75 liters is the same thing as 750 milliliters. Okay, let's look at another example. Obviously, you can still see your boxes at the top. You don't have to rewrite that big thing every time. Let's look at this one. 3,528 meters is equal to blank kiloliters. Or kilometers, excuse me, not kiloliters. Can't convert meters to liters. Okay. Now, once again, I'm going to draw my little boxes underneath. There's your base. Then you have decameter. Then you have hectometer. Then you have kilometer. So I'm going from meters once, twice, 3 times. And which way am I going? I'm moving to the left. So I take my number, 3,528. There's the decimal. I move it once, twice, 3 times to the left, which gives me 3.528. So that's 3.528 kilometers. Just like, for example, if I had 10,560 feet, okay, 10,560 feet, and I was going to miles, would 10,560 increase if I'm going to miles, or would it decrease? It decrease, because there's 5,280 feet in a mile. So you'd go from 10,560 feet, and that would be 2 miles. So the number went from 10,560 to 2. Just like here, you went from 3,528 to 3.528. Okay? Because there's 1,000 meters in 1 kilometer. Okay? That's why it changes that way. Yes, Isaiah? That's what those are, the boxes. I just didn't draw the boxes. I can draw the little boxes around them if that helps you. That's just our 6 boxes up at the top that we first drew, first part of the class. Base is your meters. Okay, just like right here. Here's your base right there. And I'm moving from this once, twice, 3 times to the left. They go from meters to kilometers. Okay, let's look at another example. 45,250 grams, and that's equal to blank kilograms. So, do my boxes again. Grams, decagrams, hectograms, and kilograms. Okay? So I started here, and I want to get here. So that means I got to go once, twice, 3 times to the left. Huh? Give it a second. It'll catch up here. Yes, Gabby?
Why do you have a G instead of a T instead of, like, say, you have grams?
Because base can either be grams, meters, or liters.
So we could still put B?
Yeah, you can put B there. Yeah. It's just that's where the grams, meters, and liters start.